Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, new travelers. In this video, I will help you understand how to play Genshin Impact as a beginner. Your journey begins by completing the Archon quests, which are your main story missions. These quests unlock new regions and essential game features. As you explore the vast world of Teyvat, remember to open every chest and collect every oculi you find. Mastering elemental reactions, like vaporize or melt, is crucial for effective combat against various foes. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. Building a strong team is key to overcoming challenges. You can acquire new characters through the wish system, using primogems you collect from quests and exploration. Once you have your desired characters, focus on leveling them up using experience materials and plenty of mora. Don't forget to upgrade their talents, which are their unique skills. Equipping powerful artifacts and weapons will significantly boost their stats, making them much more effective in battle. Aim for a balanced team of 4 characters. Teyvat is rich with resources vital for your progression. Always collect mora, character ascension materials, and weapon enhancement ore as you explore. Daily commissions are a fantastic way to earn easy primogems and gain adventure rank experience, taking only about 10 to 15 minutes each day. Additionally, challenge ley line outcrops to gather crucial materials needed for upgrading your characters and weapons. Efficient resource management will accelerate your journey through the world. Mastering combat involves strategic use of your character's elemental bursts and skills. Pay attention to enemy weaknesses and exploit elemental reactions for maximum damage. Your adventure rank is crucial. Increasing it unlocks higher world levels, granting better rewards from enemies and chests. Always participate in the limited time events that frequently appear. These events offer unique rewards, including free characters, weapons, and a substantial amount of primogems, making your adventure even more rewarding and fun.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.